Hello everyone, welcome to this class. During the diagnostic process of new energy vehicles, technical repairers usually read the instrument indicator lights. What do you know about the instrument indicator symbols? In this lesson, we will learn about the Qin EV warning and indicator light messages together. In this lesson, we learn about the Qin EV's warning and indicator light messages. The goal of this lesson's learning task is to master the Qin EV's warning and indicator light icon symbol information and working logic. Qin EV warning and indicator lights. Table 8. Qin EV instrument indicator light names and work logic. 1. Turning indicator light. The instrument picks up the combination switch steering signals via a hard wire. 2. High beam indicator. When the instrument receives a message that the high beams are on, the light is illuminated and stays on for a long period of time. When it receives a message that the high beams are off, the light goes out, and the indicator and the high beams work in synchronization. 3. Small light indicator. Receiving the small light switch signal from the combination switch con. 4. Front fog lamp indicator. Receive front fog lamp switch signal from combination switch con. 5. Rear fog light indicator. Receive rear fog lamp switch signal from combination switch con. 6. Driver seat belt indicator. Receive seat belt switch signal con from 10 in minus 1 BCM. 7. SRS fault warning indicator. Receive airbag failure signals from the airbag system. 8. ABS fault warning light. Receive the ABS system fault information sent by the gateway and turn on the indicator con line brakes and lights up. 9. Parking brake failure warning light. Receive the parking signal from the parking brake switch hard wire. Receive brake level signal from brake level switch hard wire when the combined instrument picks up the EBD fault signal con. 10. EPS fault warning indicator. Con communication transmission. EPS control unit sends EPS fault indication signal to the combined instrument. Instrument CPU command indicator light on. 11. Smart key system warning light. Read key information from smart key system con. 12. Headlight adjustment indicator reserved. Combined instruments collect the mode signal con of the headlight regulation unit. 13. Cruise control main display light. Con communication transmission. The motor controller sends the switching signal to the combined instrument. The instrument CPU processes this indicator state according to the signal. 14. Cruise master control light. Con communication transmission. The motor controller sends the switching signal to the combined instrument. The instrument CPU processes this indicator state according to the signal. 15. Door and trunk status indicators. Receive door and trunk switch status con from 10 in minus 1 BCM. 16. Main warning light. Receive fault information and prompt messages except backlight. Adjustment, door and trunk status information. 17. Low power battery indicator. Con communication transmission. Power battery management. Module sends the battery pack low power alarm signal to the combined instrument. The indicator light is controlled by the instrument CPU. The indicator light should be synchronized with the meter entering the red area. 18. Charging system failure warning light. Con wire transmission DC and charging system fault signal. Combined instrument control indicator light on. 19. Power battery charging connection light. Hard wire transition. When the charge induction switch is closed, the instrument lights up the indicator. When the charge sensor switch is turned off, the meter turns off this indicator. 20. Motor overheating warning light. Con communication transmission. Motor controller sends power motor over temperature alarm signal to the combined instrument. The instrument CPU command indicator light on. 21. Motor coolant temperature is to high warning light. Con communication transmission motor controller water temperature is to high alarm signal. Instrument CPU control this indicator light on. 22. ESP fault warning light. Con receiving ESP fault signal con from ESP system. 23. ESP off warning light. ESP system shutdown signal received con. 24. Tire pressure failure warning light. Receive tire pressure failure signal con from tire pressure monitoring system. 25. Powertrain failure warning light. When the fault signal of the battery manager and empty motor control module is collected by CAN communication, the CPU driver indicator lights up. 26. OK indicator. When the fault signal of the battery manager and empty motor control module is collected by CAN communication, the CPU driver indicator lights up. 27. Economic mode indicator. CAN wire transmission. Combined instrument CPU driver indicator work. 28. Motion mode indicator. CAN wire transmission. Combined instrument CPU driver indicator work. 29. Electronic parking status indicator. CAN transmission. The combined instrument collects the message signal with its 0x to 1.8 forwarded by the gateway and gives corresponding instructions according to the content of the message. In this lesson, we have learned the warning and indicator light information of Qin EV together. I believe you have gained some knowledge about the whole thing, and I hope you can practice more to be able to master the Qin EV's warning and indicator light messages and operate its control switches proficiently. That concludes this class. Thank you.